that you learned something, and looking around, it seems to me that you have learned the essential Jesuit message was to be a man or woman for others. And I think all of you have done that in your different lives, and I can see that you are very successful, and especially in living up to being men for others, and more importantly, to being living up to the motto of the Ateneo de Davao.
I am a man of few words, so I will read from my código. Okay. Siguro, yun lang, although it has always been emphasized na as if Anne is after Maki, well, yun ang constant eh, pero that's the opposite. Maki really loves Anne from the very start. And in fact, yun sa hospital, I was there. First time ko na-meet si Anne. I think that was 2012. Gumaling agad si Maki the following day. Dengue. Oh, serious. Seriously, he was already, you know, cyanotic ba? Yung kulay, eggplant na ba? Di ba? It was really serious, so I am very thankful for Anne for visiting Maki that day. The feeling was mutual, I would say, pag-alis mo. Okay? And I would not have allowed my son to visit Tagum on Christmas Day, to be with Anne, if Tess and I did not feel how much Maki loved or loves Anne. Okay? So, wala na pong problema doon. Okay? I mean, it's not a problem, but I just want to correct that. Baka naman one-sided masyado. Anyway, so actually, I would like, first of all, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Conde family, led by, of course, Engineer Ariel and Mareta. Thank you so much. Thank you, Balae. And to my family and relatives who are here, represented by Ning Ning, Ate Sally, and Mr. Cedric. Okay, so my family are over there. My profound gratitude to the principal sponsors who have stayed up till we have been here already since 4 hours ago or 5. My profound gratitude to the principal sponsors and the rest of the wedding entourage. To the friends of Maki and Anne who flew into Davao just to witness the wedding. Thank you so much. I believe that our love for Maki and Anne is the reason why we are here today. On behalf of my children, Meg, Michael and Julie and Mark, thank you po sa lahat for gracing the occasion, a very important event for my family. Wala po kami relative. I grew up in Davao without any relative. My father, you know, they eloped in Davao City in the 1950s. Then we saw our, you know, cousins in 1969 na. So, talagang walang uwi ang tanan. Okay. Ayan. At this point, I would like to pay tribute to my wife, Maria Teresa Maclan Gutierrez, who I obviously miss today. She raised and guided Maki to the man he is today. To our dear Anne, Tweety. That's what I learned from Balay. Thank you for inspiring Mark. Thank you for your unconditional love for Mark. Now, welcome to the family. she has always been calling me Tito, so you can start calling me Dad or Daddy Jong. Okay? I have no formula to share to both of you for a successful marriage. You are two unique persons who took a vow to be one, and only the two of you should make it work. And we are here just to support you, or if you should need any advice, you can approach us, your parents, and even the principal sponsors, and even your friends and relatives. I hope that you both continue to share the same values and aspirations in life. Make Jesus our Savior the center of the family. Jesus grows, blesses, guides, and protects the family. That I promise. And I also want to pay tribute to my parents, okay? I am the junior, so he's also Dr. Oscar Gutierrez Sr., and my mother, Gloria Hiron Gutierrez, and of course the parents of my wife, who has also gone to the other shore, Rolando Maclan and Annabelia Maclan. Good evening po, dagang salamat. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Daddy Oscar Gutierrez Jr. Yeah, I'm sure you are also the proudest father tonight. Yeah, maraming